'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go on. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you.
So hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I come to you guys with half of my face done, as you guys can see. I did want to come here and do the foundation routine and the eyebrow, but if you want to see how I achieve my eyebrow and do my foundation, you can check my other videos in the description below. I have a 101 foundation, I have my eyebrow routine there. Nothing has have changed so far. So for this look, I'm going to do kind of a purple look. I'm feeling kind of a purple lookish, and you know, a little bit of a glitter. So I thought, why anyway. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video, please. Thank you so much guys. And I'll go back in my palette, in my Morphe 3503, the palette, and my first shade that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna basically use this. I'm gonna use this line over here. So all these three shades, those are the one I'm gonna build with. If you want to know the name of it, I'll put them in the description below. But let's start this, and I'm going to grab my NYC jumbo pencil, okay, and I'm going to rub it as much as I can on my hand. That's what I do. Okay, so I'm going to grab my NYC, the jumbo pencil, and this is in milk, which is 604. I'm gonna apply that on my lid. Okay, so I'm just applying that over there just to give myself a little bit of a base, okay, to see what I'm going to work with. Don't want to start blending with a transition color, okay? I'm gonna make sure you guys can see everything. Just a second. These are three colors that I'm putting on, okay? I'm not putting only one color. I'm putting three colors, from a transition color to the light to the lightest, I mean to the darkest, sorry. And then I just grab another brush, a defined brush, go back in the color, put it all over there, okay, like so. So we can have that transition look that we're looking for over there. This is gonna be so simple, so fast. I'm not gonna, you know, take your times guys today, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing for this look. So I have these little glitters over here. I want to mix these two colors together and just pack it a little bit on top of it. okay? And or I'll use, instead of putting too much glitter, I'll just use the silver line glitters, okay? So we will see what we'll end up with for today. Let's do this other eyes and come back and finish everything on the camera, okay guys? Okay guys, I came back. I did these eyes already. I did this one. I put some glitter on it. I'm just putting glitter in the middle. I did the under eye too. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved that on this eye, which will be easy for me. So let's go into that. I take another little brush and I go back in the same palette that I'm using, same one. I'll put it in the description below. And please guys, don't forget to share this video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, share it on your social media, you know, on your Facebook. And what do you guys think? I was planning to do Facebook lives sometimes, maybe every Sunday I can go live on YouTube, on Facebook. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you have your Facebook, you can follow me on my Facebook, is Nadia Sarah. You will find me over there, and follow me on my Instagram. I am Nadia Sarah, which I'll put in the description. And don't forget to highlight me for your makeup, your hair. I'm available now, but when you come, please make sure you are wearing your mask. I'm not providing a mask for anybody because I don't have any. I've been looking for them in the shop and I can find. So the best way is for you guys to come with your own mask and wear your own mask. I'll have some hand sanitizer available on the door. When you come in, you can sanitize your hand, and then we go from there. My place where I do makeup, my hair or my client hair, everything is being sanitized, everything is being clean. So if you come, please make sure you come by yourself, not extra person, because in this time of the day is very bad. So I'll prefer if you come to do your hair, you come by yourself. You don't come with your children, I'm sorry. Don't come with your kids, or don't come with somebody else. If you come to do your hair or your makeup, please come by yourself, because I do it at my house and I'll prefer it to be, safe as possible for me, because then when you leave I have to sanitize everything. So please make sure we are all in this together. So I'm trying to minimize as much people that they can come to my house to do hair or makeup. So if you want to do your makeup, your hair, let me know, we'll discuss. I'll leave my email address for those who live in Edmonton. They have my Instagram, my phone number is on my Instagram, so I am Nadia Sarah on my Instagram, my phone number is there. Okay guys, please, I beg you, I don't want you to come with somebody and then if I see you with somebody, I'm not opening the door, because that's how serious I am. If you come to do your hair, if I don't know where you've been and all that, if you come to do your hair, please come by yourself. I'm not taking in 2 people, 3 people at the same time. Okay guys, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna get my glue. Okay, this is my favorite glue. I don't have the black one, I have the white one. So I'm getting my glue and I'm gonna apply it in the middle over here. Okay, and the glitters, I put them on this lid over here. I mix them together, the 2 colors. There's a light purple and the pink. That purple and pink together. Oops. So I'm just mixing them in there and using the brush. the same brush that I applied the purple, the dark purple on with, and I'm going gentle and apply the glitter over there. Okay. Doing this contest on Facebook and I end up winning the lashes. And anybody who knows me, I love red. And when I saw this packaging is beautiful. Come on guys. And the lashes are in there. So the packaging, it closed like that. There's like a little magnetic over there, and then when you open, you get your lashes in there. Okay, and there's a little bit of a message on both sides. You can read it. Oh my god, I'm so in love with these lashes. I know the look doesn't look good when there's no lashes on it. You feel like it's crappy and all that, but when you put your lashes on, it's changed the game. Like when you put your lashes on, the game changes in the makeup. As you can see, I went ahead and put the lashes on these eyes, and when I say, oh my god, did you guys just see that volume? Do you guys just see that? That's elegant. I'm so in love with those lashes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put the other one. My god. And yeah, so what do? They do like a wing liner, but with your glue. Okay, so get my mascara. Okay, and I'm gonna try to get my lashes out from the glue. So I'll do this, and you guys, if you want to see how to maintain your lashes, how to wash them, please go follow me on my Instagram. I put a video over there that shows you in the details how to actually take care of your falsies. So go watch that. It will help you out on keeping your lashes, so you will not ruin your lashes in the future. And make sure they are human lashes, not fake lashes, and you go put them in the water and then they damage and then you start coming from me. Okay, please. Good. Like that. Oh Lord Jesus, come take your girl away. Do you guys see my lashes? For blush, I'm just gonna use the same palette, and I'm gonna get this kind of neutral color in this palette. I'm gonna use my little brush. I'm gonna get this color. What is this? Revlon lipstick. Sorry, I can't speak. And this is in the shade 750 HD Glow. That's the name of it. There's a little bit of a glow, so I'm gonna apply it there. Okay. fella. And I'm gonna clean up my hands. Don't like when my hands are very dirty. I use baby diaper, baby diaper. No, I use baby wipes to clean my face, to remove my makeup, and the same ones I use daily when I'm doing my makeup, just to clean my hands and all that. Anastasia Beverly Hills, the same palette, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the gold over here in front. See, that just changed the game. That changed everything. Okay. Oh la 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 la. Your girl, she's all beaten up. I don't know if I'm feeling my lips so far. What do you guys think? Should I just do nude? I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? You guys, the finished look. I would love to talk about something. If you guys want to know more about what I do daily and stuff like that, leave your questions in the description below. I want us to talk. I want us on the topic, and I feel like just me coming here, do makeup, do nothing, I can still talk about some topics and stuff like that. So if you guys want to talk about something, let me know. You want to know something, let me know. So thank you guys, have a good one, enjoy your weekend or enjoy your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video as soon as I update another one. I can't wait to see you guys again. Please don't forget to share and subscribe and like this video. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. May God continue to bless you guys, and we are all in this together. We're gonna come out of this COVID-19 together. So love you guys, appreciate your support, and I appreciate your kindness. Thank you guys.